Land Rover's latest stunt sees the RR Sport PHEV race to Heaven's Gate in China. Jaguar Racing test driver Ho Pin Tung drove a Range Rover Sport PHEV up a dizzying 999 steps towards Heaven's Gate in China, becoming the first vehicle to have ever done so. There's good reason why no car has ever attempted such a feat. It's utterly terrifying. 999 steps up a 45-degree incline with no margin for error. He rolls back down the hill. He's has generally, up until now, done a fine job of keeping mankind at arm's length. First, Ho Pin had to get to the bottom of the stairs, which required a hot run through the 99-turn, 11.3 km Stanman Mountain Road, the Dragon Road dash in the 400 bhp, petrol electric RR Sport P400e. Again, no easy task when you're properly on it. Then, up the stairs he climbed. I've experienced Formula E, Formula 1 and won at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, Ho Pin explained, but this was without doubt one of the most demanding driving challenges I've ever faced. The face on the poor guy before he floors it up the mountain paints quite the picture of terror.